I wanted to talk a bit today about motivation, or lack thereof. I have recently found myself in one of the longest downers, I suppose you could call it, that I've had in a long time. There was no particular reason for it, as far as I can tell. There was a time when we had some people over, so the workshop got used as storage and generally just wasn't very accessible for a week or so. And that was all I needed to just take it out of my mind and stop me coming back in every single day. I don't really know why. I didn't have much else to do, to be honest. I suppose it was just a small barrier, that's all it took. A little bit of friction, a little bit of an excuse to just not have to come in, I suppose. There was also the fact that I'm getting a bit pissed off with Instagram and various other social medias and stuff that I do. Not seeing people's posts that I want to see, people not seeing my posts that I want to see, the usual algorithm stuff. And I just stopped posting on social media, stopped building stuff, stopped even coming in the workshop, which is really weird for me. But that has changed as of a couple of days ago, as you can see. And there isn't a particular reason for it, again, but a couple of people reached out on Instagram, asked what was going on, asked if I was alright, and I realised that there was no particular reason why I wasn't doing it. The friction was in my head rather than actually in the workshop. And I've had it happen before, so I knew the key was just small steps, so just came in, moved some crap out, put it somewhere else, didn't matter where. Got a couple of commissions that people have asked me to do that I just hadn't been looking at. So, hence this. It's just a useless prototype that will get thrown away or given away once it's done, just to get my mind thinking again about those types of things. But that's it. It doesn't take much to stop. It doesn't take much to start again. But in your head, it's a massive obstacle. And I think that happens to, well, I know that happens to everyone. Because you see it happening to everyone around you. And I suppose I just wanted to call it out, because I haven't been online for a month or so. I haven't posted videos for 6 months or so, although that's probably for other reasons. There's bigger frictions there, a lot more effort than he's putting in. But I'm back, I suppose you can say. I suspect I'm going to spin up slowly. It's not going to be something that happens overnight and I'll be back to exactly how I was before. But that's why I've been away. Absolutely no reason whatsoever. And yeah, as I said, it's not the first time. It probably won't be the last time. And that's okay. It's normal. I mean, getting tired of social media is incredibly normal, but even just, it's not burnout, it's just can't be bothered, I suppose. It's amazing how small of a thing it takes to stop you doing what you've been doing every day. But yeah, so, the point in this video. A couple of people reached out to me, as I said, and that was all it took for me to just walk back in here and be like, why am I not in here more often? So, what does it take for you to get back on? We've all been here, as I said, so what do you do to get back on it? Obviously this isn't my full-time gig, so it's not really the end of the world if I don't come to the workshop. If it is your full-time gig, how the hell do you get around it? I mean, surely it's just a killer, right pain in the ass. But yeah, let me know. And I'm going to just carry on making this. You can watch if you like. Or not. It seems a shame to finish the video without it being finished. Take it easy. Let's see over here, I've got my wire walked over there.